A fig is not a fruit. You know those little pink fibers inside? They are actually hundreds of flowers. You never see any flowers on a fig tree because fig flowers bloom inward, not outward. A fig is basically a flower garden turned inward. It has only one entrance, a tiny, pin-sized opening at the top, and through that opening, a wasp about the size of a sesame seed enters. As it goes inside, its wings can break off. It pollinates the flowers and, in some types of figs, lays its eggs. Then it may not be able to get back out and dies there. But don't worry. The fig contains an enzyme called phycin, which helps break down proteins. The wasp's remains are broken down over time. And those little crunchy bits you eat are not wasps. They are seeds. Also, many fresh figs sold in markets contain no wasp at all. But there is something even more surprising about this relationship. The wasp that enters the fig is not an ordinary wasp. It is a highly specialized fig wasp, and its entire life is closely connected to the fig. In fact, different fig species can have their own specific fig wasp partners. The female wasp is the one that enters the fig. The male wasps have a very different life. They are usually wingless, and their main role is to mate with the females inside the fig. The female wasps that are ready to leave then carry pollen from the flowers and search for another suitable fig. And here is another fascinating detail. The wasp does not simply wander randomly from one fig to another. The fig releases chemical signals that can help attract its specific pollinating wasp at the right time. So this tiny insect and the fig have developed an incredibly close relationship over a very long period of time. The fig provides a place where the wasp can complete its life cycle, while the wasp helps pollinate the fig's flowers. And that means something that looks like an ordinary piece of fruit is actually part of a remarkable natural system happening almost completely out of sight. So the next time you cut open a fig, remember what you are looking at. You are not simply looking at a sweet fruit. You are looking at a structure filled with hundreds of tiny flowers connected to one of nature's most unusual pollination partnerships. If you found this information useful, please like the video and share it with others who might find it interesting.